Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you recently purchased a Tello eSIM and are wondering how to activate it, the process may seem a little confusing at first, especially if this is your first time using an eSIM instead of a physical SIM card. Unlike regular SIM cards, an eSIM works digitally, which means setup happens directly through your phone settings and Tello account. Sometimes users get confused about where to find the activation details or how to scan the setup information correctly. The good thing is that once everything is entered properly, the Tello eSIM usually activates very quickly. You just need to follow the correct order so your phone can connect smoothly to the Tello network. In this video, I will show you step by step how to activate a Tello eSIM. Try these. Step 1. Log into the Tello account and locate the Tello eSIM activation details inside the Tello account. Step 2. Open mobile network settings on the phone to begin adding the Tello eSIM to the device. Step 3. Scan the Tello eSIM QR code or manually enter the Tello eSIM information if needed. Step 4. Follow the setup instructions shown for the Tello eSIM on the phone screen. Step 5. Restart the phone after adding the Tello eSIM so the Tello eSIM can connect properly. Step 6. Check signal bars and confirm the Tello eSIM is active and working on the Tello network.